If the Otter.ai app is not loading, yeah, that can completely block your work. In this video, I'll show you how to fix it fast. First, check your internet connection, because a weak or unstable network can prevent the app from loading. Next, restart Otter.ai. Yeah, this fixes many temporary loading issues. Now, clear the cache. Corrupted cache files can stop the app from loading properly. Make sure you're using the latest version. Updates often fix loading bugs and performance issues. If you're using the web version, try another browser or switch to a different device. Sometimes the problem is not on your side. Check if Otter.ai servers are down, and that's it. These steps should fix most loading issues in Otter.ai. If this helped, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.